You look sick.
I got infected. The doctor said I have respiratory infection.
Then wear a mask to protect yourself and others.
Catch it! Hi!
Thank you. How to wear?
First, choose the appropriate mask size. Children should choose the child size. Wash your hands properly before wearing a mask. When you put on a mask, the metallic strip should be uppermost. The colored side of the mask faces outwards. Position the elastic bands around both ears. Mask should fit snugly over the face, extended to cover fully the mouth, nose and chin. Mold the metallic strip over nose bridge. In fact, most surgical masks adopt a 3-layer design which includes an outer fluid-repelling layer, a middle layer serving as a barrier to germs, and an inner moisture-absorbing layer. Do not wear the mask inside out.